Right then, so we've been staying at Leonardo Hotel in Heathrow Airport in room 1310, and it's very early, so Paulie Morgan's like, ooh, it's nearly 6 in the morning.
Carole started fibbing about even what time the alarms are on for now.
No, anyway, let's show you around this room. So to start with, right as you come through the door, you'll find the bathroom, which has been very, very functional. As you can see, there's a shower here. They've got zero products. You've got shampoo and shower gel in the shower here. You've got a dressing gown should you need one. And you've also got the stuff here, which is really lovely. Not seen that product before.
No, so, I'm surprised because normally when you see products you go, oh, they've got zero.
No, not seen that one.
Never heard of
no, but morning.
Shaving mirror.
You've got a lovely shaving mirror, yes, and a shaving socket. But apart from that, a bathroom's a bathroom, isn't it? Yeah. So that's good. Into the main room, you've got a wardrobe here. We're open plan, but it's been absolutely fine for our one night quick stay. You've got a iron and an ironing board should you need it, and you've also got a coffee machine here, which we moved from the desk over there, and about 6 or 7 hangers, isn't it, Paulie?
Yes, indeed.
So our bed, as you can see here, has been very, very comfortable, hasn't it, overnight?
The reason we're doing our room tour at 5 o'clock in the morning is because we never like to do it until we've stayed in it, because you might discover things, and that was definitely the case this morning when I woke up and I thought, what's that next to my bed? And this has got to be the weirdest place ever, but here's the fridge.
And you get extra milk, you've got Kit Kat, we've got Coke and water in there, which we only found out this morning.
No, we don't know whether you've got to pay for any of that or not, so Carole's had a bottle of water, so that's probably cost us about £35.
No, we will put it, if we have had to pay for it, we'll let you know with a little ticker tape at the bottom of this video.
And a sad face from Paulie.
I'm sure we don't, because it doesn't say on the information there. By each side of the bed, though, you've got lots of, well, not lots of plugs. You've got one plug here for Paulie and a USB port. You've got, obviously, your bedside lamps, which are very, very bright. And my side, there's actually the same, and the telephone. So, yeah, so the bed's been really, really comfy on it, Paulie. Yeah. You get complimentary tea and coffee, which we've decimated already. And you get a safe, which is a really, really big safe, which is great. Cause,
it's humongous. Look how big that is. Up to my elbow.
Yeah. So when we went down for a bite to eat last night, which was very good food, wasn't it? And not too expensive.
Right. You know, James Harriet the vet felt them when I put my arm in there. Up to my elbow.
And you can't see here, but I will put in a couple of pictures because you can see right over to the airport and the runway. So all in all, this has been a great room for a one night stay, hasn't it, Paulie?
It's been fabulous, yeah.
Easy to find on the Bath Road.
Easy to find. We haven't had to worry about parking because we were dropped off here. But yes, good value for money. It cost us
£89 for the night, which for a Heathrow hotel isn't bad at all.
Lovely, friendly staff on the check-in as well, which is always nice. But yeah, all in all, I would say a good choice.
Yes.
If you're flying out of Heathrow, and there's a hopper bus that goes from the front door.
So here's the hopper menu, so you can see the times. Let me lay this down here. You can see the times. We're going to get the 6:20 bus. It said it costs £6 a person.
Oh.
Where do you see 165?
Oh, I just made it up, I think.
Anyway, so so very... The local buses, Paulie.
Oh. See, like, you shouldn't read stuff, should you, without reading it all?
Anyway,
if you want the local bus, it's £1.65.
Exactly that. So we're off now to the airport, and we're off to Miami.
For more Heathrow Airport hotel reviews, watch these videos next.